Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a primary country location on Facebook page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app right over here. Then go to the menu, and then from over here simply go ahead and access your profile. Then simply tap on this about section and go to the your about info. Now you will find your places lived. You can see current city and hometown. You can tap on this edit. You can change your permanent address as well, and for the temporary as well you can tap on this edit, and can simply go ahead, tap on this drop down icon, simply search up which place you would like to change it to, where you are at, add in the information, tap on save. You're good to go. If you want to change your another location, you can also go ahead, tap on this drop down icon, add in your location right over here. Once you're done, tap on the save option, and if you want to totally remove that, tap on remove, and can go through the new process of adding the places that you have lived, or place you're currently living, or primary lived. You can simply change the location likewise. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.